Welcome to my historical recipes. Here is another egg recipe, this time from an anonymous 15th century Arabic Andalusian cookbook, stuffed and deep-fried eggs. The preparation is a little more time-consuming than the previous one, yet certainly more festive. You need some eggs, 1 onion, cinnamon, flour, cilantro, rue or another herb of your choice, as pregnant women should avoid rue, a pinch of saffron, salt, pepper, and oil for frying. Mash the egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of onion juice, salt, pepper, 1 pinch of cinnamon, and chopped cilantro. Glue the eggs back together with egg white. Then mix a little bit of saffron with the flour, dip the eggs into the egg white and then roll them in the flour. And then deep fry the whole thing. Prepare a sauce from the remaining egg yolk, chopped rue or another herb, and the rest of the onion juice.